It's peaceful here, right?
Oo nga eh. Parang ayoko na umalis dito. Mabuti naman okay na yung pakiramdam mo.
Thanks to you. Joey!
Andrew?
Ginagawa niyo rito? Joy, I'm sorry. Pero hindi ko na kayang balikin. Mahal kita.
Andrew? Tagal ko inantay na sabihin mo yan.
You already pushed her away. If you do it again, I won't stop her from choosing me.
That won't happen again.
Ramdam ko yun ah. Ang ramdam mo, yung makaano, naramdaman ko, inaano mo, niyakapan mo, inaano mo yung pisngi ko, hita ko yun ha.
Kadiri ka, boy!
Na-plus mo yung pisngi ko
Kadiri
eh.
ka, boy! Nagsasabi mo.
Ako pa, diri ha. Kaya pala, ayaw mo kay Joey kasi nalilito ka. Okay lang.
Kadiri ka, nagsasabi mo. Nakakatawa, boy.
Okay lang, naintindihan ko. Okay lang.
You already pushed her away. If you do it again, I won't stop her from choosing me.
Pwede mangyari yan. Peter, kailangan na nating mahanap si Joey. Bago pa mahuli ang lahat. Sino to?
Uy! Teka, di ba siya yung may-ari? Di ba siya yun?
Oo,
Ano?
yung G yata yun.
Ba natin?
Jinho, gising ka na pala eh. Good morning.
Morning.
Mukhang okay na yung pakiramdam mo ah.
Yeah, I feel much better now.
That's good. Alam mo, buti na lang nag-stock ka ng antibiotics.
I stock up everything I might need.
Oh, that's wise.
You fetched water?
Yup. Eh, pakailanganin mo agad eh. And not just one, ah. Not just two. But 3 pails of water. Pero yung isa sa akin lang. Huwag mong gagalawin yun, ah.
Thank you, Joey.
Sus, wala yun. Eh, friends take care of each other, di ba? Oo nga pala. Ikaw, hindi ka naman nagsasabi na uminom ka pala ng alak bago ka uminom ng gamot kagabi. Kung ano-ano tuloy sinasabi mo, tapos paulit-ulit para kang baliw.
What do you mean?
Hindi, kasi may sinasabi ka kagabi na paulit-ulit, yung... jowa eh? Ano yun?
아, 좋아해. That means is thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you pala yun. Kala ko kung ano eh, paulit-ulit mo sinasabi eh.
Yeah, that's it. Just thank you.
Well, ako nga din dapat sabihin ko yun eh kasi hindi pa ako nakakapag-thank you sa'yo sa pagligtas mo sa akin kay Lisa. Yeah, thank you ah. I mean, Joahe, Jinho.
Yeah, you're welcome. Kain tayo. Tara na.
Ang galing ah. Coffee?
No thanks.
Ganda dito, no? Hindi nakakasawang tingnan.
I know.
Alam mo, dapat dito ka na lang nag-stay nung umalis ka eh. Para sana hindi ka na sumama kay Lisa. Alam ko namang may history kayo, pero gets mo na, syempre, mas magiging peaceful sana yung buhay mo dito, di ba?
You're right, Joy. I want to apologize. I really used you before, just to find Teresa. That's Lisa's real name. And I'm not a real agent, Joy. I was with a bad group back in Korea. Teresa and I, we were together. We had a plan. Earn enough money, then disappear somewhere quiet and start over. But she had bigger dreams.
Let me guess, for her drug empire. Grabe. Ako nga, pag-handle pa lang ng social media pages ko, hirap na ako.
When I found her again, I thought I could remind her of the peaceful life we wanted. But she's not that person anymore. She's really ambitious.
Well, okay lang naman maging ambitious. Ang problema, yung ambisyon na napili niya, naninira siya ng mga pamilya at saka buhay ng mga tao.
And to be honest, you know, being with you guys, laughing, arguing, protecting each other, I think that's the life I want now.
Eh, mas bagay naman talaga sa'yo yun, maging savior at protector.
Really?
Hindi ko na nga mabilang kung ilang beses mo ako niligtas eh. The bottom line is, lagi mo pinipili na gawin kung ano yung tama. Kasi mabuti kang tao. You're a good person, Jinho.